In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix unable to verify app on iPhone. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So if in any case you downloaded a new app and when you open the app, a message pops up that it's unable to verify the app on your iPhone, what you want to do is to open your settings. Now scroll down, go to general settings. Again, scroll down and go to VPN and device management. So if that application is unable to verify, it should show up right here on this screen. So in my case, I don't have any apps that is like that, so I can show it to you right here. So what you want to do is simply tap on the app here in the VPN and device management, and basically what this does it creates a profile for that specific app that lets you use a VPN or just bypasses the security settings of the app. Now, after following the instructions and prompts from here, what you want to do is simply close this and open the app, and for sure, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.